Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the blueprint. Getting the right blueprint for your project doesn't have to be complicated. We'll walk through a straightforward process to help you acquire the plans you need efficiently. First, clearly define what your project entails and what kind of blueprint will best serve your goals. This initial step saves you time and ensures you're looking for the correct type of design. Let's dive into the simple steps to secure your essential project plans. One of the easiest ways to find blueprints is by exploring online resources. Many websites host extensive databases of architectural plans, engineering schematics, and design templates. Look for platforms specializing in your project type, whether it's a small home renovation or a larger construction. You might discover numerous open-source or public domain blueprints available for immediate download. This method can save you significant time and money, often providing a solid foundation for your design needs. If online searches don't yield exactly what you need, consider reaching out to professionals. Architects, engineers, and specialized designers often have access to vast libraries of blueprints or can create custom plans. A brief consultation can clarify your options and help you understand the feasibility of your project. They can offer invaluable insights and ensure your blueprint meets all necessary codes and regulations. This personalized approach guarantees a precise and compliant design for your specific requirements. Finally, leveraging design software with integrated templates can be incredibly effective. Programs like AutoCAD or SketchUp provide a wide array of pre-designed blueprints that you can easily adapt. Start with a template that closely matches your vision, and then customize it to your exact specifications. These tools often include features for precise measurements and detailed annotations, making the modification process straightforward. This method empowers you to create a professional-grade blueprint with relative ease and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.